If I told you this cinematic ad cost $100,000 to make, you'd probably believe it. But what if I told you this was made using just one prompt? I'm going to show you exactly how creators are using JSON prompts like this within Google Veo 3 to create professional grade videos. And you can do it too, today. This isn't just another AI tool demo. In this video, you're getting 3 things. 1, a free pack of 10 JSON prompts ready to use. 2, a walkthrough of how to use them. 3, a system for generating cinematic ads for anything, your brand, your product, your story. I'll also show you how to get Veo 3 access for free. Let's talk about the difference between writing a prompt and directing a scene. Most people say something like, show a luxury watch in water and hope to get good results. But JSON prompting is different. It's structured, it's clear, it tells the AI exactly what you want, no fluff. It's like giving the AI a film director's blueprint. Check this out. Here's the same idea done 2 ways. Natural prompt, show a luxury watch in water. Simple JSON prompt, scene, dark room, subject, watch in water, camera, macro lens, lighting, blue underwater glow. You can already see how much more cinematic and consistent this will be, especially for controlling your scene, your camera, and your lighting. Let me show you what's exactly possible when you use JSON prompts in Veo 3. Here we have a Tesla spinning in a high-tech showroom. A Dior perfume bottle floating in a misty forest. A wind turbine powering a house all the way down to a steaming kettle. An iPhone tearing itself apart mid-air and reassembling. The International Space Station building itself. A Bible slowly opening in a quiet stone church as light floods in. Each of these prompts was created with just one JSON prompt. You'll find all of these JSON prompts for free in the Blueprint Pack available within the free AI community in the link in the pinned description below this video. You don't even need to write JSON manually. Here's what I do and it works every time. Number 1, open ChatGPT Pro. Number 2, start a new project. Number 3, paste in these exact instructions. You are a JSON prompt engineer for cinematic AI tools like Google Veo 3. Structure the following video idea into a JSON prompt, and then just put in the idea that you have that you'd like to create a JSON prompt for. And once it's created the JSON prompt, you can change any of the parameters that it's put for the different things like scene, subject, camera, and lighting. Give it an idea, for example, a sneaker floating into a thunderstorm street lit by lightning. And then ChatGPT will return instantly a fully structured JSON prompt that you can copy straight in to Google Veo 3. Go to flow.google, that's where Veo 3 lives. If you don't already have access, you can unlock it for free by signing up to Google Gemini Advanced. You'll get 1,000 free credits to use with Veo inside of Flow straight away. Once you're in, paste your prompt into the box at the bottom. Set the model, make sure the model is set to Veo 3 fast, because it's a lot cheaper and the quality is just as good usually, and sometimes even better. Click to generate and then watch your scene come to life. You can then upscale your video for free within the Veo 3 platform or within CapCut and even in a tool like, say, TensorPix. To save you time, I've created a full JSON prompt blueprint pack. Inside, you'll get ready to use prompts, the ChatGPT template, and clear examples to adapt from today's video for brand, product, or story. Just click in the link below and go into the free AI community and you'll find it within the YT downloads section of the community. If this video helped you, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe for more AI tips, tools, and tutorials. And if you'd like to dive deeper, check out the AI Creator Tools community, which you can find in the pinned comment below, and I'll see you inside where we have regular Google Meets and continual conversation going back and forth and tasks and challenges that you can try to get deeper into using AI tools in a community of people just like you. Visit https://www.school.com/ACT, which stands for AI Creator Tools. Now, what are you waiting around for? Go create something cinematic, and I'll see you in the next video.